Namaste everyone. Today we will see four pillars of yogic lifestyle. These are Ahar, Vihar, Achar and Vichar. Ahar has significant role in yoga. Ahar has three types: Sattvic, Rajasic and Tamasic. Sattvic food is recommended for the yoga practitioner. Sattvic food is freshly cooked at home, which is easily digestible, chewed well, having meal in the regular time with the 4 hours distance, eating with the calm mind and chewed well. Yoga says, Jaisa Ann Vaisa Man. So Sattvic food calms your mind, calms your body, and it also creates positive attitudes in our life. Tamasic food, which is stale food, which is not easily digestible, with preservatives, fermented food, it is tamasic food. Tamasic food creates lethargy and dullness in our body as well as in the mind. Tamasic food are ready to cook, ready to eat food, packaged foods like namkeens, chips, farsan, white sugar, white maida, all-purpose flour, and products made from this are the tamasic food. Yoga also recommends not to eat non-veg like meat, because meat takes long time to digest and it stays in our acidic stomach for a long time. It gets fermented and reprocessed, and which is very harmful for our health. So avoid tamasic food. Rajasic food, which is deep fried, which is made at home, cooked at home, but still it is deep fried, salty, spicy, with pungent taste. So these foods creates agitation in our body, in our mind. Rajasic food is not recommended yoga practitioner or not to the regular people. Having it once in a while, occasionally, it is fine. Labor who have hard work, they can have Rajasic food, but also not to eat in the night. Now we will move for Vihar. Vihar means rest, recreation, sleep. Yoga says when we are tired, stressed out, then we should consciously relax our each and every body part and mind as well. Sleeping doesn't mean just close your eyes and lie down on the bed. We should learn techniques to relax our each and every body parts. So yoga has recommended few techniques like Shavasana. Having Shavasana for 20 minutes is equivalent to the 8 hours sleep. Nishbandha Bhava, Makarasana, Dradasana. These techniques we can use to relax our body and mind. We should also rejuvenate our body by indulging ourselves in other activities, in any hobby. If you like singing, do singing. If you like dancing, do dance, gardening, playing with the kids, spending times with elders, whatever you like it. Indulge yourself in that activity. It's recreate energy in your body. Now we will move on Achar. Achar is routine, Dinacharya. Yoga follows Ayurvedic Dinacharya. Rise up before sunrise. Do your exercise, asana practice, meditation, pranayama, kriya, and between 7 to 8 am you can have your breakfast. You should have your breakfast in the 7 to 8 am, because at that time your metabolism rate is higher. So your good quantity of food or large meal, you should have it in the morning. And as the day passed, your metabolism rate also slows down. So your lightest meal should be your dinner. This is the Achar. Now we will move on Vichar. Our thinking, our thought process. It's a will or who moves our body, our physical body and our mind. Our mind is more responsible for that. So we should always give good thoughts to our mind to think. Whenever you find your mind is distracted or thinking lots of negative things, stop there only and give good thoughts to your mind. Yoga has recommended few techniques like Anitya Bhavana, Pratipaksha Bhavana, gratitude towards your life, and faith in higher reality. Do your best and rest on your God, in your higher reality. Jap chanting, om chanting, mantra, spend time in that also. It gives relaxation. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching my video.